beautiful cold morning. Got the title there for the Freightliner. Gentleman drove all the way down from New York. Not like New York City, but an actual, like, it shouldn't even be called New York. It should be called Extended Pennsylvania. But anyways, he's going to meet me over here in about 45 minutes. So I'm running over and trying to get this thing started up for him, get it aired up, and see if we can't strike a deal. Man, look at that sunrise. Beautiful. Anyways, we've already kind of agreed on a price on this thing, and I am losing some money, which I'll go over. But this guy's actually been serious. He talked to me on the phone. I actually talked once before, like months ago when I first listed this, and I don't know what happened. And then he reached back out and called me on Thursday, and today's Saturday. And he was like, I can be up there Saturday. They had to have left at 2 a.m. to get up here, so obviously he's serious. I don't think he's going to drive all this way not to take this truck home with him. But like I said, I'm losing a little bit of money on it. Maybe with the video that I made originally on this, the ad revenue from that might have made up for the difference. But it is what it is. It's one thing off my plate, one piece of equipment I'm not utilizing that I could take the money and put elsewhere. And so yeah, we're gonna get over here. I left the house at 5:45 this morning to get up here. My dad's following me. He's off of work, so he's gonna come help me. We're gonna give this thing a go once over, check all the fluids, and then the main thing is just getting it started. It's cold. It's been sitting for a little bit. And we got kind of like a slew of jump boxes, jumper cables, and even if I have to, I'll take a battery out of the Dodge or something if I have to put a good battery in it for the guy, and just pick one up on the way home for myself. Well, there she is. There she is. Hopefully headed off to its new owner today. Check the tires. See if we can't get this thing jumped off. Battery is over there on the other side. We got the school bus here tight to it, so we'll see. Yeah, I'll put it back on. Would be kind of sad to see this thing go, but see if we can strike a deal here and get out of this cold weather I've been standing out in for over an hour now. She runs good. Had to put a new battery in her, but she runs good. She fired right up after sitting for, it's been a while since she's been running. She fired right up with a brand new battery, so that's good for him. It's good for what he's going to use it for, which I'll explain later, but see if we can come to terms on a dollar amount here. Well, we're still here. They got a dealer plate with them. I'm gonna let them take it up the street here, and I really don't have any interest in going riding with them. But they're gonna hop in, take it down the road, and then hopefully we can come to some kind of terms. I don't know if this is just him playing hardball on this thing or what, but he's been here for over an hour. I get it. I don't know. I usually have in my mind if I'm gonna buy something before I get there, and if everything, I do a walk around and everything checks out, I buy it. I drove 6 hours down here to look at this thing, so hopefully they're taking off now. Hopefully I don't steal it. I mean, who knows? We'll see what happens. I might be biased, but I do think that is a good looking truck. Perfect for hot shot work. Well, that turned out to be an absolute waste of about 5 hours of my day. It's like, you drove all the way from New York, nitpicks a 99 truck, and then says, well, I'm gonna talk to a buddy of mine that you know, knows these trucks a little better than me, and I really want it, so I'll probably be back. I'm like, well, you drove 6 hours each way. I drove an hour and a half to meet you here. Do you want to work on a deal, or is it a, you know, oh no, I'd rather talk to him first. And I'm like, well, I'm on the road, so I'm gonna call these people that were also interested in it. And I did the nice thing of giving you first shot because you were coming from far away, called me on the phone. I said, do you want me to hold it for you or what? No, if you have somebody. It's like, I wish I had that kind of time in my day to waste. I'm not upset. I'm upset about wasting my time, but the only thing is I'm more upset that I pushed off other people. Like, I feel bad for pushing off other people that could have been more serious about it. So I'm gonna get it parked back in its spot here, and I'm gonna go home. Well, happy Saturday. This is where we find ourselves now, underneath the truck, doing an oil change here. We use a Motorcraft filter, and we're gonna do a little more than just an oil change and fuel filter today. I'll show you that when we get here to it. Oops. Oh, maybe I'll be able to show you. They're all taped together. I'm gonna get some fluid film put on the truck here, on the 7.3 at least. Get it protected there for the winter time. I did hit a little bit of snow today. And that truck, which is on a Charger now, it's a different story. Let's get some of this put on.